Greetings one, greetings all. Just outside of Machynlleth. I thought I'd just apologies for traffic issues, but I just thought I'd show you some of the photographs and countryside that I'm in. It's the Machynlleth Road. Behind me now is a lake, not quite sure what that lake's called, and now behind me is a huge mountain. And the sheep all over the mountain. Bizarrely, as I've started talking, lots of traffic have come past, and you know, there hasn't been any for about 10 minutes. So I thought I'd just do one or two little shots around here. Woo! Woo! He was looking at me, and he went on the wrong side of the road. He was too busy nosying what I was doing. Now, a perfect Welsh day, not a cloud in the sky. Lovely and warm, t-shirt order. We've had pie and chips in Machynlleth, and we ate them in Powys. And Powys is quite an interesting place, full of slate, and it's as if the village has been built on the side of the road, which is on the side of a mountain. That was a bike that goes past. Very popular around here with bikers. Yes, Machynlleth, Powys. We're in Machynlleth, Powys. We've been down to Powys to a place called Penrhyn-Coch, which is near to Aberystwyth. What a superb place we've got here. Absolutely stunning. Always wanted one of those vans, always wanted them, especially as they're on Lost, aren't they? They have a blue and white one. The Darwinist if you use a blue and white one. God, it's like the M1 here with all this traffic. There wasn't anything 10 minutes ago, there was nothing, and we had any for 10 minutes. Anyway, I'm with Paul. Paul has been kind enough to drive us to Penrhyn-Coch, and we've stopped to take some photos on the way there and on the way back, and we'll have a look at some of those photographs now. Bye for now. Bye. Before I do go, I want to show you this. We're actually on the side of a massive drop here. I feel physically sick when I look over it. Whew.